Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a bargain to share with you, and it is the Macmillan 24 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar, which can be purchased on the Boots website. It normally retails for £88, but it's currently one of their star buys, and you can purchase it for £43, and £2 of every sale goes towards the Macmillan Cancer charity. Although this calendar supports a really great charity, it's never been a calendar that I've been excited to see. Not for the last year or two anyway, and at £88 it's quite a pricey advent calendar. I haven't looked too deeply into it because, as you may already know by now, I want to be as honest and authentic as possible for you so you can gauge what I actually think of the calendar. As soon as I saw there it was half price, I snapped it up. I had to get it. It's still available now. I picked mine up yesterday. I just had a check on the phone. It's still available for half price, and yeah, I thought £43, that's not too bad a price for an advent calendar. It depends on the contents, which is why you're watching this. You want to know what's inside, so I am going to be unboxing it fully for you. But if you are interested in this for yourself, then you will find details down below in my description, as well as a giveaway I've currently got running on my Instagram page, same name, Diaryofabeautygeek, to win a Yankee Candle advent calendar, and that's got a couple of weeks left before it finishes, so you'll find that down there, and lots of other deals and discounts and things like that. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you do click that, that'll bring it up, and yeah, you'll see it all down there. So let's get on to opening this up. It's my very first pop open type advent calendar, and I don't get on with these very well. Not great for unboxing because they're quite annoying, but I have got nails, so I'm hoping it will be all right. Day number one. We've got a product from Soap & Glory. This is Heal Genius Hydrating Foot Cream with macadamia oil and fruit acid smoothers. And there's 50 mils there. I absolutely love it. I do love it. And every Christmas I have something Soap & Glory. That is so nice. Yeah, it's nice, thick and creamy as well. For soft and smooth feet, massage a generous layer onto clean feet, pop on some cotton socks and let it soak in overnight. So there's that. Day number two up here. And we've got a Soap & Glory Bright and Beautiful face mask. This is a biodegradable brightening sheet mask with, ooh, there's glitter falling everywhere. Where's that coming from? With tiger lily, lotus flower and cherry blossom. So I bet it smells gorgeous. And this is Glow for dull, lackluster skin. I haven't tried any Soap & Glory masks before. So yeah, so it's a new one for me, and it just tells you on the back how to use it. As you probably know, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off, massage the remaining essence in. Day number three. Up here, looking like a pencil of some sort. And we've got a Fierce Felt liner. And I'm assuming this is black. Let's have a little look here. Yeah, it's a felt liner. That's a nice one. Nice and pigmented. So yeah, so far so good. Day number three. Day number four. Okay, ooh, it's wrapped up. Is this a palette? Yes. Sleek Makeup Level Up Eye Divine eyeshadow palette. You've got a mirror up the top there, and these are the shades. Some nice autumn shades. Let's try that taupe brown. They're quite nice shades, aren't they? They feel quite creamy, they're not powdery. No, they're quite nice. I haven't used sleek eyeshadows for a long time. Oh no! I just snubbed the calendar in half. Oh my gosh, look. Literally in half. This is going to be fun. What day am I on now? Okay, day number 5. And whacked myself in the head. We've got a hand cream. This is Boots' own brand, Extracts. I haven't heard of it before. In mango with natural extracts and oils. And there's 30 mils there. 100% trying this. I am obsessed with fruity smells. Oh, that's so nice. Really nice. If you like your fruity smells. And it feels nice as well on my hand. My hands tend to get quite dry around here. And yeah, that's really nice on there. But yeah, something to pop in my handbag. Okay, day number 6. Which part are you on? There. We've got a full size Peaceful Night Pillow Mist by Botanics, Nature Inspired Botanics, lavender and sweet marjoram. And there's 100 mils there. I am sure I've had this before. Have I? Some pillow mists are quite strong to the point it makes you cough non-stop. My husband complains a lot about that. I love them. My daughter uses them as well. But yeah, this one is really nice. I'm sure I've had this one before, or I've tried a little sample maybe. That is really nice. It's not too overpowering, but you can smell. So if you hate lavender, you won't like that. We are on day number 7. It's not there. It's here. We've got a little number 7 beauty blending sponge there. Different corners. Squishy beauty blending sponge. Day number 8. Where are you? Ah, looks like it's another pencil. We've got another number 7. Stay Perfect lip pencil this time in shade Nude. I like the fact that we have number 7 in here, even though number 7 bring out their own advent calendar. Oh, I just broken the top. Oh, too rough. Yeah, that's a gorgeous colour. Really, really nice. Happy with that. Yeah, really happy so far. Day number 9. Sometimes it's not until you actually see the products, you know, in your hand that you can really gauge what a calendar is like, which is why advent calendar unboxings are huge on YouTube, because you get a better idea, don't you, of what it's like. We've got another, I'm assuming full size. This is from the ingredients range from Boots, hyaluronic acid serum, and there's 30 mils here. I forgot what I put on this hand so far. Oh, heck, that comes out fast. Oh my word, look, dribbling everywhere. Oh, hand cream, wasn't it? It's fine. It's fine. Don't know why I'm smelling. It smells of the mango hand cream. It feels nice, but it comes out super fast. So tiny squirt. Have I done 10? No. Down here, I might as well rip this open down there. We've got a Ted Baker product. And this is Raspberry and Orange Blossom Body Lotion. 50 mils. Lovely packaging. But yeah, raspberry and orange. Just rub that in. Oh, it's more flowery than fruity. That is really nice. I'm not too familiar with Ted Baker. I remember getting a set when I was in my teens from Boots many years ago. But no, I haven't had anything since really. But yeah, what do you think of Ted Baker? Day number 11 up here. We've got another pencil from number 7. It's a Stay Perfect eye pencil. And I'm assuming it's black. Yeah, it's a really nice soft black eye pencil. There. It would have been nice actually, because we got the black liquid eyeliner, it would have been nice to have maybe a brown eye pencil. Day number 12 down here. Oh, we got a Liz Ale product. This is an Eye Bright Soothing Eye Lotion. Gently cleanses and revitalizes tired, puffy looking eyes. Naturally active ingredients, Eye Bright, cornflower, witch hazel and aloe vera. This sounds really nice. And soothing eye lotion. So it's a cleanser that depuffs and revitalizes your eyes, or your eye area. And there's 50 mils here. I haven't tried this. It says apply to cotton pad before sweeping over eyelids for a soothing compress. Soak 2 pads in Eye Bright, place over the eyes and relax for 5 to 10 minutes. But yeah, so there's that. Day number 13. And we've got another number 7 product. This is Hydroluminous Water Surge Gel. It's an oil-free pollution shield technology. 25 mils. I'm assuming it's a serum. This is my skincare hand. This is my makeup hand. That's the way it's going. I keep smelling. I can't. No, it's no point. No point. Not with the hand cream. No, I'm doing it again. Oh, it's such a compulsion. Yeah, I can't tell you anything about it, sorry. It's a Hydroluminous Water Surge Gel. There's that. Day number 14 over here. That was really hard to get out, really hard. We've got Boots ingredients again, and this is hyaluronic acid. This is a moisturiser, and this is 30 mils. Hydrates skin. Skin looks brighter. Skin feels smoother. Apply to neck and face. day and night. And ooh, yeah, okay, let's add it on this hand and massage it in until it absorbs through all the layers of other skincare. On my hand, that is. It feels nice, but it's starting to get to the point now where I can't really tell. Hyaluronic acid and moisturiser. 14, I'm guessing number 15. Yep, here. Got another Lizil product. We've got an Instant Boost Skin Tonic. Replenishes skin with soothing hydration to prep for your routine. And it contains aloe vera, calendula and cucumber. Oh, I'm going to smell this one. And there's 50 mils here. Can't really smell anything. I love the little bottle as well. It's just really cute, isn't it? So there's that. Day number 16. And we have got a nail polish by number 7. This is a gel finish nail colour in shade, what are you? Rose gold. Now, not for me, as I have gel nails. I'm not too sure what I think of that colour. I think, yeah, pretty for my hand nails, but not the sort of colour I'd put on my feet. And the reason being is because my feet are so ugly. I know you're going to say don't be silly, Claire, but they are. They're not very good looking. They're not very well looked after either. I just walk around barefoot all the time. So they're not great. To counteract the ugliness of my feet, I put bright nail polish, like bright luminous coral or a yellow or a white or something like that. So yeah, maybe I shouldn't do that because that draws attention to my feet, but I just think just try and make it look prettier than what it is. Whereas this colour would just blend into the ugliness, if you know what I mean. But the colour isn't ugly at all. Rose gold is really pretty, but yeah, I'm gonna pass that on basically. Day number 17, got a Soap and Glory. This is Clean On Me Hydrating Body Wash, and there's 75 mils here. Yeah, I've tried this before. It's always in their gift sets, little sets that you can buy. Yeah, that's the smell. Oh, it's lovely. It's really nice. So a nice size to take away for the weekend, maybe. 18, 17, 18. Oh, look, 17, 18. It's not interesting. It's not interesting. Got another face mask, but this is this a sheet mask? Yeah, I think it is. I can feel. Yeah, I thought it might be like a cream. This is by Champneys Health Spa. Nothing saves face like a refreshing mask. And this is just the tonic after a long day, containing hyaluronic acid and gently fragranced with oils of patchouli, chamomile and lemongrass. These specially formulated plastic-free and single-use moisturising face masks offer a convenient but effective way to leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. So it is a sheet mask there. Day number 19 over here. Number 7 again, the full 360 all-round incredible lashes in black. So it's a mascara. It's a curling wand. That's quite nice. It's not too long either, so that would really lift my lashes. Day number 20 up here. And we've got another number 7 product. This is Protect and Perfect Lip Care, suitable for sensitive skin. And there's 10 mils there. So is it like a lip balm or a lip cream? Smooth on and around your lips every morning and evening and any time they need a little care. Oh, so it is. It's a cream. There, you can see there. Yeah, something for your lips. 21. More number 7. This is Protect and Perfect Intense Eye Cream. Suitable for sensitive skin. And my camera does not want to focus. And there's 5 mils here. So it may be tiny, but with all eye creams, you just need a tiny, tiny, tiny bit. Ooh, is it tinted? Slightly tinted. There, can you see? It's not going to really colour correct your eyes or anything, but it might brighten a little bit. So yeah, advanced eye cream. 22 at the top here. We've got a Lizil muslin cloth. So I'm assuming we're going to get a Lizil hot cloth cleanser, hopefully, to go with this cloth. 23, I might as well rip this now. Yeah, nothing else in this side of the advent calendar. And we have got the hot cloth cleanser. Deeply cleanses and gently exfoliates for radiant, clearer looking skin. cocoa butter and eucalyptus. It's all cruelty free, and there's 30 mils there. Really gorgeous product, really, really nice. So there's that. Last item in the box, and we've got a pair of eyelash curlers. Are they branded? No, doesn't matter though. They're all the same, aren't they? So here we've got a set of eyelash curlers there. I wear lashes a lot of the time, so maybe that is why I just don't bother. But I'm trying to open them. They've got a little safety thing there. So yeah, do you know what? I am honestly looking at all the products on the floor for £43. I honestly think this is a really, really, really great advent calendar. Yeah, we've got a lot of full-size items here, a lot of number 7 products. We've got Soap and Glory, Liz Earle, we've got Boots own brand products, a good mix of makeup, body care and skincare. I would definitely recommend it to you lot as a really great calendar for under £50 if you're looking for something pampering with a mixture of beauty. Yeah, I am really impressed. I am really chuffed I went for it, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. So please comment down below. Plus I like the fact that there's a little bit of money going towards a charity as well. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care. Bye.